to A Spoon, a Fork, a Beer. Today we're making taco supreme on a soft shell tortilla. We're gonna add in a half a cup of water and 1 packet of taco seasoning. And then once we put it in there, we're gonna go ahead and give it a good stir around. And it's taking forever to come out this packet. So let's go ahead and give it a good stir. Mix it all together. Let it cook for at least a minute or two, because your ground beef is already cooked. And we're going to go ahead and start making our pico. So you're going to need a tomato, an onion, and some cilantro. We're going to go ahead and give it each, we're going to use half of each one. So let's go ahead and get started. So we done cut up our cilantro, our tomatoes, and our onions. We use half of each one, except the cilantro we just used a little bit, because cilantro goes a long ways. So go ahead and put it in our bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and start making our soft tortillas. Now that everything is in our bowl. So now we're going to go ahead and mix it all together. Give it a good little stir. I'm using my hands, but my hands are clean. Now let's go ahead and start making our taco shells. So I put a little butter in the pan, flip them over and let them get brown on both sides. And now let's start making our tacos. So we have ground beef, lettuce, sour cream, Fiesta blend cheese, and our pico. Let's start making our tacos. Y'all have a good day.